Welcome to Daily American English. Learn English with fun movie clips to improve your skills fast. Let's get started.
Do you want to hear something funny? You use this to introduce a joke or something funny. You say, "Do you want to hear something funny?" Like, want to hear a joke?
You want to hear something funny? You want to hear something funny?
You want to hear something funny?
You want to hear something funny?
You're one to talk. You use this to reply sarcastically to criticism. You say, "You're one to talk," like, "You're not better."
My TV, I'm still only getting sound out of one.
You're one to talk.
You're one to talk?
You want to...
Okay, so do you want to hear something funny?
You want to talk?
Want to hear something funny?
I'm doing my best. You use this to say you are trying very hard. You say, "I'm doing my best," like, "I'm trying hard."
I'm doing my best.
I'm doing my best.
I'm doing my best.
I'm doing my best.
Doing my best. Doing my best.
I'm doing...
Let me have that. You use this to ask to take something from someone. You say, "Let me have that," like, "Give it to me."
Let me have that. Let me have that, yeah. Let me have that. Let me have that.
Let me have it.
Let me have that. Let me have that.
Allow me. You use this to offer help in a polite way. You say, "Allow me," like, "Let me help."
Allow me.
Allow me.
Allow me. Allow me.
Are you back? You use this to ask if someone has returned. You say, "Are you back?" like, "Did you return?"
You back.
Are you back?
Are you back?
Are you back?
You back.
By yourself? You use this to ask if someone is alone. You say, "By yourself?" like, "Are you alone?"
Hey.
Crisis by yourself. I gotta go.
By yourself?
By yourself?
By yourself?
Can I get you a drink? You use this to politely offer a drink. You say, "Can I get you a drink?" like, "Would you like a drink?"
Can I get you a drink?
Can I get you a drink?
Can I get you a drink? Can I get you a drink?
Tu veux boire quelque chose?
Can I get you a drink?
Can you repeat the question? You use this when you didn't hear or understand a question. You say, "Can you repeat the question?" like, "Say it again."
Can you repeat the question?
Can you repeat the question?
Can you please repeat the question?
Can you repeat the question?
Do you bring me joy? You use this to express affection in an emotional or playful way. You say, "Do you bring me joy?" like, "Do you make me happy?"
Do you bring me joy? Yes!
Do you bring me joy?
Benders, do you bring me joy? Do you bring me joy? Yes!
Do you bring me joy?
Benders, do you bring me joy?
Don't mess with me. You use this to warn someone to stop bothering you. You say, "Don't mess with me," like, "Don't challenge me."
Don't mess with me.
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 Excellent job. You use this to praise someone's work. You say, "Excellent job," like, "Well done."
Excellent job, milady.
Excellent job.
Excellent job.
Excellent job, Rob.
Excellent job, girl.
how did you find out? You use this to ask how someone discovered something. You say, how did you find out? Like, how did you know?
How did you find out?
How did you find out?
How'd you find out?
How did you find out?
Find out.
Hug me. You use this to ask for a hug or affection. You say, hug me, like embrace me.
Hug me. Hug me. Hug me.
Hug me!
Hug me.
Hug me!
I didn't notice. You use this to say you did not notice something. You say, I didn't notice, like I didn't see it.
Been a little moody.
I didn't notice.
I didn't notice.
I didn't notice.
I didn't notice.
I didn't notice. I didn't notice.
I need to lie down. You use this when you are tired or unwell and need rest. You say, I need to lie down, like I need to rest.
I need to lie down.
I need to lie down.
I just need to lie down so
I need to lie down.
I need to lie down. And I need to lie down. Okay, I need to lie down.
Is anyone there? You use this to check if anyone is present. You say, is anyone there? Like, is someone here?
Is anyone there?
Is anyone there? Is anyone there?
Is anyone there?
Is anyone there?
Is anyone there?
I've arrived. You use this to say you have reached a place. You say, I've arrived, like I'm here.
I've arrived.
I've arrived.
I've arrived!
I've arrived.
I've arrived.
I've arrived.
I've arrived.
May I ask you something? You use this to politely ask before a question. You say, may I ask you something? Like, can I ask you something?
May 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 I ask you something?
Ask you something.
It never occurred to me. You use this to say you never thought about something before. You say, it never occurred to me. Like, I didn't think of that.
It never occurred to me that...
It never occurred to me. This
Never occurred to me to.
Never occurred to me.
Never occurred to me.
Never occurred to me.
It's been a long day. You use this to express tiredness after a long day. You say, it's been a long day. Like, I'm exhausted.
It's been a long day.
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 It's a pleasure to finally meet you. You use this in formal or polite introductions. You say, it's a pleasure to finally meet you. Like, nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to finally meet you.
It's a pleasure to finally meet you.
It's a pleasure to finally meet.
It's a pleasure to finally meet you.
It's a pleasure to finally meet.
Just do it. You use this to encourage immediate action. You say, just do it. Like, don't hesitate.
Just do it!
Just do it!
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Do it.
Let me cut to the chase. You use this to go straight to the main point. You say, let me cut to the chase. Like, I'll be direct.
Let me cut to the chase, sir. Let me cut to the chase.
Cut to the chase.
Let me cut to the chase. Let me cut to the chase.
Let me wrap this up. You use this to finish what you are saying. You say, let me wrap this up. Like, I'll finish now.
Let's wrap this up.
wrap this up.
Let's wrap this up.
Let's wrap this up.
Let's wrap this up.
Let's finish this. You use this to complete or end an activity. You say, let's finish this, like, let's end this.
Let's finish this.
Let's finish this.
Let's finish this.
Let's finish this.
Let's finish.
A coward. You use this to insult someone who lacks courage. You say, a coward, like, someone without bravery.
Coward.
A coward.
A coward.
Howard.
Coward.
Breakfast is on the table. You use this to announce that breakfast is ready. You say, breakfast is on the table, like, breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is on the table.
Breakfast is on the table?
Come on now. Breakfast is on the table.
Breakfast is on the table.
Breakfast is on the table.
I hadn't considered that. You use this to admit you did not think of something earlier. You say, I hadn't considered that, like, I didn't think about it.
I hadn't considered that. I hadn't considered that.
I hadn't considered that earlier.
I hadn't considered that.
I hadn't considered that earlier.
I need to shave. You use this to talk about personal grooming. You say, I need to shave, like, I need to trim my beard.
You need to shave.
You need to shave.
You need to shave.
He needs to shave.
You need to shave.